Hello everybody, hope everybody's doing great during this transition as we are getting some restrictions lifted. I'm going to do a date night look. So right here I'm just putting some correcting concealer and I'm putting some base on my eyes so that the pomade stays on my eyebrows and for the eyeshadow later. So you guys have seen in my previous videos how I do my eyebrows. Then with some concealer I'm cleaning up the bottom of my brows to make them look real snatched and fleeky. I might have gone a little overboard with the white, but I wasn't happy with my brows on my last video, so I wanted to make sure my brows looked really good. So right now I'm going to use ColourPop matte no filter concealer, and with my brush just putting that all over, and then I'm gonna brighten my eyes and the rest of my face with ColourPop no filter concealer, as well with my blending brush. It's a, what is it called? Blending sponge beauty blender. Oh my god, I had a brain fart. So yes. Then with the small brush, I'm going to contour it first because it's more precise with the not tiny, but the smaller brush. I like to build it up slowly. If you've seen my other video, I do say that a lot, I think. Because when you use a very big fluffy brush to apply, it's not as precise and it's harder to sculpt your face, in my opinion. So with the fluffy one, I'm just kind of making sure I blend so there's no really harsh lines or blotchy spots anywhere, I guess. And my nose, I contour it with a eyeshadow blending brush. So I try to go around the tip of my nose to make the tip more narrow. Then with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight, I'm gonna lightly highlight all of my face. This is my favorite part. I don't know if you guys agree or that you think that's your favorite part as well, but it's just so aesthetically pleasing. Oh, look who's up. Little baby boy. He might be in all my videos from now on because it be like that. There he is sitting on my lap. I don't even know how I do this with him on my lap, honestly. So I decided to go for a more neutral base, neutral shadow, and then just darken it by patting it on some more. I wasn't gonna wear eyeshadow at first, but then I decided for some reason that I wanted to do like a brownish color, and it turned out okay. So I put eyeliner on the bottom and then I deepen it, make it more smoky, I guess, with black eyeshadow under my eyes. And then I spray my setting spray, my mascara on my tiny lashes. This pen is the bomb, guys. This eyeliner is like the best eyeliner I've ever tried, and it's so affordable. I think it's like $6 or $7 from NYX. I got it on Amazon actually. So I wanted to show you guys the whole process of me doing the wing liner, because I know it's something that not everybody can do as easily. It's still not as easy for me to do it. It's just I have a lot of practice now, I guess. So you have to flick it from the bottom up because that's the way your wrist moves, and it's much easier to do it going up versus dragging it down. Once you do the line up, then you can drag it from the corner down. With this pen, it just makes it so much easier, guys, I swear. So of course I had to go over and over to fix it because I made one thicker and then one longer, and it just never fails. Then with the eyeshadow, I'm darkening my brows and dragging out the ends. Now I'm lining my lips with my favorite pencil from Amazon also. And then this is NYX lingerie lipstick liquid lipstick, and it's Honeymoon. It's like a brown shade, but with the pink liner, it turns like a taupe kind of color, taupe brown or something. And these are Falsieholic, my favorite lashes. They're honestly the best lashes I've tried, and I've tried a bunch. They just look so natural, but they look like if you had natural long lashes and then you just put a lot of mascara and they just look that good. Which we know I don't have beautiful long lashes. I have non-existent eyelashes. And then my blush. Don't be afraid to put blush on. Blush is coming back. Trust me. And then this is Bliss lipstick I got from, I think, Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something like that. It was on special for like $1, and I love it. And this is the look. I just want to put on a pretty top to look cute for Brian when he gets home. And there's that fleeky look, fleeky eyeliner. So here I am, feeling myself and looking good. You know, who is she? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you guys think.